tag-usa ka nato. Adunay nagkadaiyang diskarte sa pagpanghatag o sa pagpaabot og hinabang ngadto sa katawhan. Apan ani ay usa ka langyaw nga adunay pinalahi nga pamaagi sa pagtabang sa isig ka tawo. Iyang gigamit ang social media platform aron nga maawhag ang katawhan sa pagpakabana labi na sa mga nagkinahanglan. Karong buntaga, ato siyang ilailahon ug maki-inspire kita sa iyang istorya ug tinguha sa pagbuhat og mga maayo alang sa katawhan pinaagi siyang mga videos. Dinhi lang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Kapuso sa spotlight karong buntaga atong ilailahon kining langyaw nga pang #spread kindness ang advokasya ila ni siyang foreign germs sa content creator Summer Osta. Mayong buntag, maupay na aga Sir Summer. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Live. Kumusta sir?
Mayong buntag, thank you. I'm fine. I'm doing well. Maraming salamat. And thank you for having me here.
Thank you for joining us, sir. Congratulations. More than 4 million followers to date. Parang 4.8 million followers on Facebook, sir, right? How do you feel na umabot sa ganito karami ang na-inspire mo through your content?
Actually, very blessed. Very blessed talaga. We wake up and it's like we can't believe it every day. But it's always time to, parang we're always playing catch up with the videos. So I have to create more content and then I just don't pay attention. And until somebody notices na sa, oy, ganun pala yung followers mo, ganun pala. But for us, it's more about content and always so thankful for the fans and for those who support our Facebook page.
Paano ito nagsimula, sir, ang iyong pagiging isang content creator?
So I said, medyo bored ako. I wanted to do some pranks. And I made some pranks before COVID, when COVID hit. And then I realized na maybe I could do something to help people. Kasi back then, if you remember the pandemic, it was so bad. So I started doing that and I realized na nagustuhan ng mga tao eh. So tinuloy ko lang.
Ba't mo naisipan, Sir Summer, na gumawa ng mga videos kagaya na lang nung pag-pretend mo ng ikaw ay mahirap at pagtulong sa kapwa-tao at ano-ano so far, sir, ang for you nakapa-inspire sa iyo na sa pagpapatuloy na paggawa, pag-produce ng ganitong mga content?
Okay. Actually, the reason why the first idea I had, I remember I was a teenager, nanood ko yung parang undercover CEO, parang yung owner ng company na he would pretend that he was a employee para makita yung ugali ng mga empleyado niya. And actually that one, I really loved it. I love the concept na you can really see kung anong totoong ugali ng empleyado or yung mga tao pag undercover ka. So I wanted to put myself in that position, no? Gusto ko rin i-try at gusto ko rin makita kung mabait talaga yung tao or pag may camera lang or anong gagawin, foreigner naman to. So I wanted to capture the truth.
And with all these videos that you have produced, Sir Summer, anong na-realize mo tungkol sa humanity? Anong mga realizations mo?
Well, there's good and bad everywhere you go. Kami naman, all we try to do is to do the right thing and help. Kung man bad yun, I would never put it in a video kasi my videos are not about shaming people or showing the negative. Gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga positive.
May mga instances ba, sir, na parang na-emotional ka sa result ng video?
Yes naman. Many times. But I try not to be the center of attention of the video. Kaya if I get emotional, I go out. I go out kasi the videos are not, hindi para sa akin, I'm not the one who's trying to shine. I want to make the other person who is helping shine.
Finally, just to close this, Sir Summer, message of hope, message of inspiration mo para sa ating mga viewers, mga kapuso natin, nanonood right now.
Well, everything is possible as long as you have good intentions and you put the hard work. So sa mga inspiring vloggers, honestly, everything is possible. Just really need to put the right intention kung anong ginagawa nyo and what reason it's for. That's something that my wife reminds me every day.
Thank you so much for joining us ug salamat sa inspirasyon karong buntaga mga kapuso. Summer Osta, Mr. Foreign Germs. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the support.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.